He Eruera, ko manawa. He mana tagata Yep. And so when you go into that don't in the air. He Eruera toru fa. He Eruera.
Io Te Matua Kore. This waiata was the selection of our Kahungunu whānau and a fantastic selection Amare. I was talking to Erena Koopu and she goes, I'm so happy that we're doing this song. This is the song that I remember from the 2009 Nationals in Mātātua. And pretty much one of the only action songs that just like connected with me. And she wasn't the only one, there was quite a few. Lavinia was another one that connected with that song when it was first done back then. So it's fantastic to be able to do that and celebrate a song that not only just celebrates Kahungunu and Kahungunutanga, but also has a little bit of a mihi to one of the stalwarts of Kahungunu Kapahaka, which is Tamateare Kinui.
Kapai? Can we have the guitar, please? Remember, it's quick. Here we go. Hey. Io te matua kore, ko koia no ki te uru tapuni, te kurawa nanga, I te toi o ngarangi, koia te aka matua.
Like, I want to give justice into the songs that we're doing so that people remember them the way that we remembered them. A lot of the older songs, like we remember those, people want to hear those, like how they heard them and how they became a memory. Just doing it the way that we're doing it, I think it's going to be like one of those poye moments where, you know, you can just play a poye and everyone's going to join in.
So it's the same as Toti. It's the same as Toti. More love in the front of the line. Koiara. Because the energy is kind of like starting halfway in the line. So more love in the front of the line.
Ko Christy te Kurapa taku ingoa. He uri a hau no rongo whakaata no tūhoi. Taku kapa tuatai ko te Wihongi, katai I hunuku ki tāmaki. Ka timata taku haerenga ki te whaiwhai I te wakahuia. Mutu ana taku mahi ki roto I te wakahuia, hoki anō ki te kāinga, ki rongo whakaata, ki tū te manoa maura. E kore ware I ngā whakākoranga a te taingoa rao ko Uncle George. Nā rau au I poipoi, I manaaki I roto I tēnei mahi te kapahaka. E kore ware I ngā whakākoranga I ngā pukenga, nā pō wehi rao ko ni muhi. Nō ki te waimarie, ko tau mai o rātou whakākoranga ki runga ki au.
Tēnō tangata a Christy, ko moho wa hau ki a Christy, mai anō I awa I te kura. And then pakeke roto I te ao haka, and then maotahi roto I te waihirere. I've always actually admired Christy's sound there, the sound that he brings. And then seeing him come through te wakahuia, that sound has come through even more, even stronger. Even leading solos into wakahuia. Deadly. But he's got this beautiful, rich bass tone that I particularly wanted in this kaupapa, and that's why, one reason why that I wanted Christy on board, and two, tangata pai. Hey, tangata pai. Ngā wari mahorohoro.
Io toru Io te matua kore. Hey! Ko koia no ki te uru tapuni, te kurawa nanga. I te toi o ngarangi. Koia. Koiara te aka matua.
The impact of kapahaka on our people is immeasurable. there isn't actually a measurement that can accurately showcase or represent or reflect the impact kapahaka has had on our communities. And for myself, and for our kapa based in Tāmaki Makaurau, we've got urban Māori, and in particular South Auckland. So, it's hard enough going along life in general in Tāmaki. I have been in discussions where kapahaka has been said to have saved some of our members' lives within their own daily struggles. Of course, post-COVID, we've found the huge effects that kapahaka, or the lack of kapahaka, has had on our whānau and on our communities, in particular with mental health. And so you really do see the holistic benefits that kapahaka gives our people. Although, surface level, you might only see the physicalities. There is so much spiritual, mental, and social benefits that we gain from this kaupapa. And I truly do believe it is one of the main vehicles that really lifts and enhances the health of Te iwi Māori.
There's a wrap.